Hi there! This is a special update regarding a topic that we're going to talk about a lot more in future video updates. It's the kickoff video for what we call our innovation program, Vision Ahead. RENA is known as an innovative company that plays a key role in creating the future regarding lighting and electronics, thanks to our clients. And recently, we've been asking ourselves how we see the future developing, knowing that our world is changing faster and faster. So we came up with 4 foresight concepts that we would like to share with you. The first is design for darkness, then infinite light, the third, dynamic manufacturing, and last but not least, the RENA Academy. These 4 scenarios are all about holistic awareness, integrated service connectivity, design around you, and sharing knowledge. And we invite you to be part of our Vision Ahead. No matter if you're a client, supplier, student, or otherwise interested in this topic. Please participate, because with these 4 scenarios, we're laying down the fundamentals, a foundation on which we're going to create a shared vision of our lighting and electronic future. And, as said in the beginning of this update, we'll be back with much more about our Vision Ahead. Until next time.